Excuse me, use anchor instead.
Introducing the new Rode VideoMic Pro. The new Rode VideoMic Pro features Rycote's famous Lyre suspension system made from an advanced thermoplastic that exhibits exceptional suspension properties, isolating your microphone from handling noise. The Lyre suspension will never snap, bend or break, ensuring that your suspension system never needs replacement. A completely new capsule provides even lower self-noise and higher sensitivity than the original model, ensuring that you capture crystal clear audio every time. The new design retains the audio controls of the original model with a high-pass filter set at 80 Hz to enable you to cut out low-frequency noise, such as traffic noise or the low rumble of an air conditioning unit, without affecting the pickup of the essential human voice frequencies. A -10 dB pad enables recording in extremely loud environments, while the famous +20 dB boost enables you to reduce the preamp volume of your DSLR or mirrorless camera, simultaneously reducing the camera's self-noise level and enabling you to capture crystal clear audio every time. If you have any questions about the new VideoMic Pro from Rode, please check out rode.com or tweet us at RodeMics.
As a photographer, your craft requires time, resources, and full control over the creative process. But perfecting your craft takes accuracy. So it's absolutely critical that your monitor accurately reflects your vision. But what if your monitor isn't properly calibrated? Is that sky truly sky blue on your display? How about those skin tones? When your monitor isn't calibrated, it leads to unpredictable results. You can't afford to misrepresent your subjects any longer. Using our latest innovation in color calibration, SpiderX translates your vision to the screen with incredible accuracy. 4 times faster than before, in less than 2 minutes. How did we do it? At Datacolor, we spent years in research and development to make sure our new lens-based color engine provides increased precision, color accuracy, and low light capabilities, with more precise screen color, shadow detail, and white balance. Meaning less compromise, fewer revisions, no more tedious guesswork. Your reds will look red. Those blues can be baby blue, not teal. That yellow you need? It can be perfectly yellow. You can feel confident once it hits your monitor, and feel confident sharing your vision. Get a true expression of the moment quicker, easier, and with our most superior accuracy with SpiderX.
What does a spare moment look like to you? Is it something you take? Is it something that you feel? Something that moves you? Is it something that's captured? To us, having a spare moment means taking the time to do the things you love, with the opportunity to capture them at the same time. At Cotton Carrier, we give you a chance to capture your spare moments when you need a spare hand. That's our mission. Introducing Scout. Since 2009, we've been at the front of innovation, developing the best hands-free carrying systems out there. This new lightweight, sling-style harness with the patented Cotton Carrier twist and lock system allows access to your camera or binoculars, leaving your hands free. No pins, springs, or anything to jam. Our simple design is easy to use. Enjoy the things that make you happy, and we'll be there when you need us. Scout by Cotton Carrier.